me see. All right, how do you two know each other?
No is a strong word.
Las palabras fuertes son importantes. Nuestra palabra es nuestro valor, ¿no?
¡De la verga, hija de puta, que te voy a matar!
Calmado, comandante.
¡Ya! ¡Ya! ¿Vamos? ¿Cerdo?
I don't take orders anymore. Even the dogs in Las Almas know not to bark at me.
She's ex-military. We served together.
Different squads, same unit. You were the wild ones. Los vaqueros. My squad was clean cut, señoras y señores.
Until the raid on the Son of la Araña. ¿Te acuerdas?
Me acuerdo perfecto.
Her team was told to cordon off the city to keep all Araña's enforcers and prevent the bloodshed.
That's exactly what we did.
When you kept out his enforcers because you were his enforcers, huh?
He was escorted to the mountains without incident. Also, to prevent bloodshed.
He was supposed to go to prison.
So you killed him, and you took over.
I created a power vacuum, and I filled it. Las Almas needs me.
Las Almas needs soldiers, not sicarios. Y usted? You disgrace the army. Y tus hermanos, ¿no?
Why are you doing this?
You tell me. You're the contractor, no? What you don't do, your competitors will.
You're a narco harboring a terrorist.
Terrorism is good for business. It's insurance.
What the fuck does that mean?
¡Puedes sacar la puta cabeza del culo por un segundo! ¡Puta madre, Alejandro! As long as there is a war on terror, there will be no real war on drugs. To find your so-called terrorists and your missiles, you need me. To prevent bloodshed.
No, I'm not doing this.
Doesn't change anything.
It changes everything! Fuck! Don't make a deal with her. Won't end well.
Looks like it's your turn to tell the truth.
I want the missiles, I want the target, and I want Hassan. And you've got 10 seconds, or I'm gonna show you the difference between the military and me. I don't know the targets. I'm a courier. I move things. I can tell you where to find the missiles. When you return, I'll tell you where Hassan is. In exchange, you will let me go and get the fuck out of Las Almas. Se me largan ya.
Deal. Until then, you're staying right here.
Coordinates obtained through interrogation confirm an oil rig 400 nautical miles offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. The rig is no longer active and is currently in use by the cartel as a smuggling dead drop. A cargo ship is anchored 500 meters to its northwest. Surveillance saw personnel moving a large container from the ship to the rig. That container is now on top of the platform. We believe this is the missile. TF-141, Colonel Vargas and Shadow Company will infill 3 boat teams for a simultaneous takedown of both targets. Ghost will lead the ship assault team. Graves, Soap, and Alejandro will engage the oil rig and disarm the missile. All shooters will give no quarter. Your orders are to eliminate all threats.
Eyes on the rig!
Alright, that's our target! Shadows 1 and 2! Push to your hook points! Let's invite ourselves in!
Station ship is visual.
Copy! Press to assault, stay on comm! Valeria told the truth! We board, clear, disarm that missile!
And this is lying?
God help us!
God help us all! Be ready for anything! This could be a trap!
Actual, we're set.
Copy, get to work.
Good hook. Got him.
All Shadows, the missile is on this platform. I want full containment.
Soap, cut right clear through.
Room clear. Coming out.
Raj. Tether 1 moving to the southeast stairwell. Squatters, right side! All clear. 2 above.
Clear.
Balcony door on top.
Ghost, we're moving to the main deck. What's your status?
Holding the ship with Shadow 3 now.
Roger that.
Making it. Man down! Rush out! Take everyone, there's no one here.
We need to move fast.
All shadows, force out. I want eyes on that container now.
2 copies, moving. Shadow 1, Ghost. Visual on flares coming from the rig. What's your status, over?
Ghost, they're signaling the ship. They're gonna launch that missile.
It's first stage. There's no time. All shadows. Missiles on the helipad. Everyone, move to the door. Cover us.
2 copies all. Listen up! I'll cover it. Move to the helipad, Sergeant.
Clear.
Get topside, move!
Shadow 1, sure. Moving on the container now.
Roger that. Confirm when the objective is controlled.
Where are the controls?
On that damn ship. Actual, we got a problem. Missile is armed. Controls are somewhere on the ship.
You have your orders, son. Stop that launch.
Alejandro, take overwatch. Soap, you're with me. We're moving to that ship.
I'll keep you covered, hermano.
All stations, visual on the missile control. Say again, missile controls are on the bridge.
Copy that. Let's move out. Go! This is 0-1, back in the water, inbound, to your position.
Solid copy, we're taking effective fire. The LZ will be on.
Roger that. Once we're on deck, we push to the bridge. Fast! Secure those controls. Stop this vessel, yep. How do we board? Take the ramp. All tight, Sergeant. Let's have ourselves a gunfight!
Right here, missile controls are on the bridge. We have to stop the launch. Alejandro, maintain our launch from the rig. We're forcing out. Look at that. Okay, let's move out. Visual on the bridge. Okay. Entry on the third. We have to get to that door.
Containers are the only cover we
Entry on the third. We have to get to that door.
Containers are the only cover we have.
Get off the way. On your left. They're forcing out. Release it.
Watch the containers!
On your right. They're close up to bring entry. Secure the deck and we'll blow the door.
Actually done!
Drop him. Take right now.
Visual on bridge entry.
Soap, check that Check it. Controls are internal. All right, stand back. Shadow 1 going explosive on bridge entry. 3, 2, 1, execute! All Shadow, move on the bridge! Go, 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 go! Take the hallway, I'll cover. Here. Move. Don't shoot at me, dumbass! Wasn't for you, Soap. We gotta get to the bridge.
Contact! Soap, hit that hallway and flank him.
Clear. Clear. Hallway clear. Grenade!
Bridge now.
Clear.
All right, eyes on the controls. Tapping in. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fuck. Right.
I'm in.
Actual, we're on the con. What's the order?
Input the DAL code and let the payload strike.
What's the DAL code?
Detonate after launch.
We're gonna take out the oil rig with the missile.
Alejandro's back there with the shadows.
All stations, clear the rig now. I say again, clear the rig.
Roger, what's the count?
1 minute.
Copy, on the move.
All right, Soap, get on the controls. We need it in diagnostic mode so I can bypass the login. Soap, hit the clear and mode keys at the same time.
Done. Wait, what's happening?
A little techno wizardry.
Okay. Now I need the last digit on row 2, column 1.
It's C, Charlie.
Perfecto.
It's headed for New Orleans.
Not anymore.
Target updated. Hit execute, we're set. Let's enjoy our handiwork, Sergeant. Here we go. All stations, prepare for the boom!
Saw it away.
Look at that big bed. Shit!
Steaming bloody Jesus.
Alejandro, you okay?
Those fucking crazy, man.
You safe?
Affirmative. You?
We're good here, hermano.
Gold Eagle Actual Shadow 1, good hit. Good hit. Missile and rig destroyed.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good work. Now get off that X and go home. So, Ghost, thanks for a job well done.
Roger that, Actual. We're RTB, men.
Woo!
What's this?
This is the immediate future. Step away from the gate.
What?
You heard me.
Crazy. This is my base.
Not a base. This is a sizable covert facility, and I admire it. So I'm taking. You boys have been relieved. Thank you for your service.
No. I don't take orders from you.
Didn't Valeria say that? Now that makes me wonder what else I don't know about your affiliation with the drug lord.
What the fuck did you just say to me, pendejo?
Line briefs.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No one needs to get hurt here.
Are you threatening us?
Soldier, I don't make threats. I make guarantees. So let's not do this.
I'm calling Shepard.
General Shepard sends his regards. He told me y'all wouldn't take this well.
He knows about this.
He's put me in command of this operation from here on out. So y'all need to stand down. It's time to let the pros finish this. Why the hell are we talking like this is some kind of negotiation? It's not. I've got my orders. And now you have yours.
And who the fuck do you think you are, cabron? My men are inside!
I'm afraid not. Your men have been detained.
Riggs, what the fuck?
Hands off of me!
Go, Johnny! Get out of there! So, go!
You there, Ghost? That was a big mistake, brother. Did not have to be like this. Son of a bitch. Find him!
Sending transpo to your location for all prisoners. Stand by.
Need reinforcements in the North Plaza now.
This is Bravo 7-1 in the blind. How copy? Ghost, this is 7-1. Do you copy? Fuck, where are you, Ghost?
So, this is Ghost, how copy? Johnny? Johnny, how copy?
Solid.
Thought we lost you.
Zero. Back toward this area, yeah? So, Ghost, Hassan's here. Let's get it contained, yeah?
Go, Joe. My two. Lock it down. Roger that. Yes, sir.
2-0. Go with me.
Moving your way, sir. Ow!
You injured?
I'm good.
Let's find out how good you are. Keep your blood in, you'll need every drop.
Thanks for the tip.
Let's go. This way.
Where are you?
There's a church. I'm heading to it. Let's RV there. You'll need to improvise to survive.
Line him up next to his amigo.
Graves and Shadow are on a killing spree.
Looking for Hassan.
Hassan and us.
I said turn around! Estas calles son nuestras! Check everywhere. Assume they're aligned with this.
Do it.
Fucking hell.
Boys found some dirty cops around the corner here. Let's go have a word with them, shall we?
No joy. Door's locked.
Look for supplies, things you can make tools with. Welcome to guerrilla warfare.
Creeping Jesus. Poor bastard. Found the rope.
That's a start. Keep looking.
Look off a fan blade.
Tie off the blade with a rope and pry open a door.
Sounds like you've done this before.
Years of practice.
Busted the fan blade.
Get you through the door.
Affirmative.
Good. Stay on the hunt. There'll be more where that came from.
¿Tú quién te crees? ¡Somos la policía! ¡Esa es mi familia! I will feed you to the fucking leones!
¡No lastimen a mis hijos! ¡Se los suplico! ¡Por favor! ¡No! ¡No!
Take the kid. Get him out of here.
Let's go. Come on. You're with me. Quiet. Come on. And look what we got here.
Tenemos más policía. Cops helping cartels. Let's show them how we handle corruption, yeah?
Happy to, sir.
El sin nombre who killed you for this.
Oh, no. El sin nombre is no bueno right now, amigo.
Creeping bloody Jesus.
No más agua. This is going to look muy familiar to usted, amigo. Tortured.
Found a headlamp. Not too far from its
Get him out of here.
previous owner.
Take him to the spot where we left
Good.
him.
Careful with it. Can light your way but attract attention.
All right, these narcos
Woof.
are warlords, and the
What's
people
the
who will do
latest?
anything
Marks are killing everything in their path.
pussying around, okay?
War crimes.
Harboring Hassan,
Makes me want to commit a few war crimes of my own.
Tyranny. It won't stand.
And,
Think we'll get a green light to go after these guys.
head on the
No
street,
more
be
green
quick.
lights, Johnny. We're on our own.
Take them dead or alive. Yeah. You know my preference.
What about Laswell?
Laswell's close with Shepard. Calling hers a no-go until we learn more.
Those fucking bells.
What's going on up there? I'm gonna go check it out. It's the dog from the bedroom. I don't see anything. I'll stick around, just in case.
Give me a sit rep.
Outside. Gated alley.
Stick to the edges and stay low.
Copy.
You may get a brag rag for this.
A medal.
chest candy.
That's all rubbish.
You said you wanted a win. Congratulations, you're a winner.
Why ain't Beale your head?
English McTavish.
Sorry, sir. Let me translate. Go fuck yourself.
Much better. Church is on the north side of the city. I've set up a sniper position in the church tower. Find your way there and you might just make it.
Escúchame, cabrón. You are making un mistake muy fucking grande.
You like working for narcos?
Esto es territory de las
Huh?
armas.
You like money?
No.
El dinero, hombre?
Please.
Graves is rounding up cops.
He's judge, jury, and executioner now.
Secure.
Bottle.
Look for a distraction.
White flag is gonna fall. Everyone's gonna end up dead. I'm not fucking scared, bro. I'm not stupid either. Any movement over there? Quiet here.
Chuck the ball.
Narco's got a...
Word like a charm.
It's not
Stand
that
by.
I'm worried about anyway. Enemies here! Engaging!
Can use this. Commandeer some wax, LT.
Could prove useful.
Check your corners. Get me a location. Fuck, they're gone. They can't be far.
Found some chemicals.
Search the area.
Tie them up with some wax. You got a smoke bomb. A toxic distraction.
Sick. I like it.
Guarantee you they won't.
Come on out. Any visual? No sign of him. I'm here. What's your status? All quiet. Roger.
That's a keeper.
Fucking go. Where the fuck are you?
Mousetrap. Gotta be a way to use this.
Surprisingly useful as a trigger.
To set something off.
Exactly, Johnny. Not an airstrike, but it'll do.
What do you got? No visual.
Picked up some tape.
Very useful.
If I had to wrap a gift.
So to speak. Hold on to it.
Ghost. You missing a knife?
Several.
Think I found one.
Some in the dead shadows of my handiwork.
You came through here.
On my way to the church.
And you left me.
I'm used to working alone.
So much for no man left behind.
Just get yourself to the church.
visual on
Trying to keep
target.
you alive and get you here in one piece.
Roger
One
that.
of us needs to survive to tell the tale.
Hang on.
How copy? No. What have you got? Got nothing. Copy that.
Come on out.
Why now?
Give me a sit rep.
Secure.
Roger.
Where'd you fucking go?
Find anything? No visual.
Where the fuck are you? What the fuck?
Focus. Sit rep.
Clear here.
Copy.
Got a visual?
No visual on the target.
Secure that area. Copy. Pressing fire!
Visual on a target.
Target acquired.
Kill the shadow.
Nice.
Took his gun.
Good work. Moving up in the world, Johnny.
Flashbang! Got a visual. Check corners. Find him. You see him? God, you're not here. Hiding. Know you're close. Eric, code check.
I'm here.
Got anything?
Good here.
Roger. I want this area locked down. Eric, how copy? Sit rep. You receiving me?
Yes.
Mark.
Guilty.
I can't reach him.
About to play rough with the shadows.
I like the sound of that.
Bashing a trip light.
A man after my own heart.
Checking it out.
Thought you'd like that.
You thought right.
Fuck. Come on, McTavish.
What was it?
We got ya.
So I know.
What's the location? Back! We have a shadow down!
Ghost.
All clear.
Appears to be.
Stay on guard and keep moving to the church.
Aye. pissing it down out here?
Speak English.
It's raining fucking hard.
Then say so.
I did.
Rain's good, it'll cover your tracks.
Covers theirs too.
Let's worry about you, Johnny.
So you do like me?
I like you alive.
Moving inside.
Check. Take what you need to keep them off you.
Sweet. Don't mind if I do. Now we're in business. Ghost.
Soap.
Found the tripwire rigged to a shotgun. Disarmed it, took the gun.
Open hearts and minds with it, Johnny. Johnny, Graves is burning the midnight oil to find us. Why?
Graves is involved. No matter what, this is an unprecedented amount of fuckery. We need to get to the bottom of it.
Accurate and deadly fire tends to resolve these things. Right now, we're not safe here.
Right now, we're not safe anywhere, LT. I'll take that. Seek and ye shall find.
What you got?
Black powder.
Nice. This could get interesting.
I'm in the coffee shop.
Get us a tea.
Fucking Brits. Don't mind if I do. You're gonna owe me for this.
Why?
We're fixing each other's problems.
What's my problem?
The mask. Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
I doubt that. You two. Check out that warehouse.
Guy's got no gun. He won't get far.
It's 141. Still dangerous. Go left. I'll clear the alley.
Roger. On it. You hear? Not too late to surrender.
Johnny, town's full of tunnels. One leads out across from the church. Be advised, the tunnel... Still upright.
So far, so good. Great.
Open it up! Okay, good here.
Good find. That's handy. LT, I'm at the bar.
You like tequila?
What was that?
Could use one right about now.
I'd murder for a whiskey.
So I know.
What the hell was that?
Lucas! How's your ammo? You still standing, Johnny?
Think I'm clear.
Good. Stay sharp and meet me at the church. Oil, ball, broke for a wick. Time for a cocktail.
Ghost,
Talk to me, Johnny.
I found the tunnel.
The church plaza is on the other end of the tunnel. Push through. You're nearly here.
Ghost, I got shadows moving the body.
You'll have to break.
Covering you! Spotted!
I see him! Will!
Got a shotgun!
Engaging!
Code check. What's your status? You copy? Matt, not on home.
You got eyes on the church.
Aye.
Good. You're on the right track. Keep coming.
Ghost, area's blocked off.
Try and cut through the shops.
Think I found a way through LT.
Shadows are everywhere. I'll hold them off until we RV in front of the church and secure a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that.
Give him hell, Johnny. We're almost there.
Get down! All shadow stations. Got one near the church.
Holy hell. Ghost, was that you?
Who else? Now go.
Give me a bloody break.
Be in the church and they're not here for forgiveness. Get to the steps. I'll be there.
Copy, LT.
On me!
Contact dead ahead!
I see him. Stay sharp. They know we're here and they know it's us. They'll send more. Watch the alley! Johnny, stay close. Heads up in the So, pickup truck ahead. Lights on. I'll drive, Johnny. Take shotgun. All right, Johnny. You made it.
We made it, LT.
Hold fast.
That's one way of doing it. Get back!
Thanks.
Drive. Come for us.